Guruji, namaskar. It's a great honor to be in front of you and I need your blessings. गुरुदेव, I wanted to ask you, आजकल हम लोग सनातन के बारे में इतना बोलते हैं और राम मंदिर के बारे में इतनी चर्चा होती है, तो I want to know from you कि आजकल के जनरेशन को सनातन और राम मंदिर का या राम से कनेक्टिविटी का क्या महत्व है, and why it is important that they walk on the path of Sanatan?
See, Sanatan is that which is both ancient and modern, and that which is the natural style of life in accordance with the natural law. जो नूतन और पुरातन को लेके चलता है वही सनातन है।
जी जी। जैसे
एक वृक्ष है, जड़ पुराना पुरातन और पत्ते डाली सब नूतन होते हैं, तभी तो वृक्ष है।
जी जी।
ऐसे ही बुद्धि और हृदय का समावेश है सनातन। हमारी जो मन है वो हमेशा नया चाहता है, लेटेस्ट फैशन, लेटेस्ट, मगर दिल क्या चाहती है? ओल्ड फ्रेंडशिप। यू ऑलवेज टेक प्राइड इन एन ओल्ड फ्रेंड and new gadgets, not the other way around.
Very true, very
Isn't
true.
it?
Yes.
So Sanatan Dharma is bringing both these things together. And after 500 years, we have gained back a temple.
Very true.
Which was destroyed when we became slaves. So Ram is also a sign of our independence, our freedom of spirit, which has been dampened for so long.
Yes.
Number one. And Sri Ram is not limited to India. He is global in that sense, you know.
Very true.
Ramayana stretches from all the way from Peru in South America and to Kalimantan, or what you say, or even to Australia. So even in this sense, Ramayana is a very, very important aspect of our life. So we need to know about our history, our roots. हमारा मूल को हमें पहचानना है
जी।
इसलिए यंगस्टर्स को इसका ज्ञान होना चाहिए। रामायण और महाभारत ये दोनों बहुत आवश्यक है।
बिल्कुल। सेकेंडली, आदि शंकराचार्य जी, he was born at a time and he wrote his teachings at a time when a similar kind of a situation उस वक्त भी थी। So how important do you think it is for today's youth to connect with Adi Shankaracharya?
If you see what the scientists say today, the 3 scientists who got Nobel Prize in Physics in 2022, you know what they said? The world doesn't exist. Which was said by Adi Shankara a long time. If you want to understand quantum mechanics, quantum physics, you have to look to Adi Shankara's teaching. You need to understand the culmination of philosophy of all kinds. You have to look to Adi Shankara.
Yes.
The brilliance of intellectual excellence and the ecstasy of devotion, they both come together in Adi Shankara.
Very true. Very true. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Guruji. Thank you so much.